All right, so today is Wednesday, February 27th, and you do have a sub. I am still on campus. I'm just at a training, so don't make me come back down here. This is your notes. You're doing bar graphs, which has to do with a lot of percent part to whole, a lot of proportions. Says students at Franklin Middle School were surveyed to find where they spent their summer vacation. The graph below represents the data from 60 students. So 60 students is actually your total, so you're going to underline that and write total next to it. It says how many more students surveyed spent their summer vacation in Florida than the number of students who spent their summer vacation in New York. So Florida is 25%, New York is 20%. So we're going to set up a proportion. So Florida is 25%. So it's 25% out of 100%. 100% is the total number of students surveyed, which is 60, and x goes on top. So you cross multiply, you get 100x, and then this will be 1,500. So you divide by 100. And if you don't know how I got 1,500, I did 25 times 60, which is 1,500. You cross off the zeros, these cross off, and you get x equals 15. So that means that 15 people went to Florida. Okay, so I'm going to write the 15 on Florida now. We do the same thing to New York. So it'd be 20% over 100%, which is equal to x over 60. So this would be 100x, and then 20 times 60 is 1,200. Divide by 100 to both sides. The zeros cancel out. These cancel out. So x would equal 12. So then 12 people went to New York. So it says how many more students surveyed spent their summer vacation in Florida than New York. So what you're going to do is you're going to do subtract. So 15 minus 12 is 3. So 3 more people spent their summer vacation in Florida than New York. All right, next one. The circle graph below shows a distribution of 80 colored tiles. Okay, so that's your total. How many more red tiles and green tiles are in the box? Well, this one's extremely similar to the one we just did. So why don't you pause the video and try this one by yourself, give everyone enough time to do it, and then continue playing the video to see the answer. Okay, so red would be 30% over 100%, which is equal to x over 80. So you cross multiply, you get 100x. 30 times 80 is 2,400. And you divide 100 to both sides. You cross this off, and you get x equals 24. So it means 24 reds. So now you're going to do green. So green would be 20% over 100%, which is equal to x over 80. So this would be 100x is equal to 1,600. So you divide 100 to both sides. You get x equals 16. So it means that there are 16 green tiles. So it says how many more red are there in green? So you're going to do 24 minus 16, which is 8. So there are 8 more tiles, or 8 more red tiles than green tiles. All right, last one. A survey of 500 people, okay, so 500 people is your total, was conducted to determine which night was the largest number of viewers prefer to watch television. So based on the data in the circle graph, how many more people prefer to watch television on Monday than on Thursday night? So we're comparing Monday to Thursday. So once you try pausing the video again, because this is the same idea we've been doing, try it by yourself, give everyone enough time to do it, and then continue playing for the answer. So Monday is 20%. So it'd be 20% over 100% is equal to x over 500. So you cross multiply, you get 100x. 20 times 500 is 10,000. Divide by 100. You cross off 2 zeros. You get x equals 100. So 100 people chose Monday. So we're going to do the same thing to Thursday. So Thursday would be 8% over 100%, which is equal to x over 500. X times 100 is just 100x. 500 times 8 is 4,000. Divide by 100. Cross it off, and you get x equals 40. So it means 40 people chose Thursday. So then it says how many more people chose Monday than Thursday. So you're going to do subtract. You're going to do 100 minus 40, which is 60. So the answer would be G, 60. Hey, thank you guys. Be nice to the sub. You don't want to get lunch on the wall. And if you make me come back down here, it will not end well. Thank you guys.